Hello students, I am Priyanka. I am here to give the updates about GATE 2021. So whatever the general information I am giving today, it is for all the branches of engineering. But when it comes to specifically with respect to the syllabus or some other important dates, then I will be talking more about civil and mechanical engineering only, because we train here for GATE examination for civil and mechanical engineering. Okay, so now let's study what are the important points we will be discussing in today's session. First is important dates, that is the exam dates and all, and when the application will start, so that all the detail about the dates will be discussing, how the question paper pattern will be, and what is the eligibility criteria to apply for this GATE exam, and what is the previous year cutoff for civil and mechanical engineering, and how many years this GATE score is valid, and how you can use this GATE score for various employment purposes. So this all together I will be discussing in the today's session. So if you are a GATE aspirant, then watch this session till end. Okay.
Safety को ड्रॉप किए हुए तो
So now first, so what are the important exam dates? So for mechanical engineering, the exam dates will be on 5th, 6th and 7th February. That is first Saturday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday of the February. And when it comes for civil engineering, it is second Friday, Saturday, Sunday, that is 12th, 13th, 14th. And exam is conducted in two shifts, that is morning and afternoon shift. How the paper is now, it is completely online paper, that is computer based test. Okay, and here how the question paper pattern is. So when you see the question paper, you will be having multiple choice questions, that is MCQs we called, wherein like 4 options will be there and 1 option in that will be correct. Okay, and the second type of the questions will be numerical data type, answer type, that is fill in the blanks kind of. So the fill in the blanks kind of questions will not have any negative marking, but MCQ questions have negative marking, 1/3 negative marking for 1 mark question and 2/3 negative marking for 2 mark question. And this year they have added one more pattern, that is multiple select questions, MSQs. What is the meaning of this? See, when there are 4 options, more than one option can be the right answer. That is 2 options can be right, 3 options can be right, or all 4 options can be right. So that is what they have included in this particular GATE 2021. So now how is the negative marking in this? There is no negative marking for this MSQ types. And also for example now option A and option C are correct. Okay, but you have clicked as option A and option B. That is one option is correct, one option is wrong. So that time you will be getting 0 marks. So there is nothing like fractional marks or something like that which you will be getting in this. Okay, now coming to what is the eligibility criteria for applying the GATE. See, the third year student can write GATE exam, final year student and even graduates can also give this GATE exam. So there is no any limit for the number of attempts to give this GATE exam. And when you get GATE result, okay, so you will get GATE result as per the announcement of the date. So Monday 22nd March, see, exam is conducted on first Saturday Sunday and second Saturday Sunday, and your result will be on Monday 22nd March 2021. Okay, and your application, that is form filling for this GATE, will start on 14th September. So whatever the dates I am telling you now, you have to remember the dates or write somewhere there. Okay, so application will start on 14th September and closing date for the regular online application will be on 30th September. So from this year GATE have given provision to attempt 2 papers, that is you can attempt civil engineering and along with that you can attempt one more paper also if you are interested. One more paper means one more other paper. Most of the students got confused when they saw my previous video saying that ma'am 2 more new subjects have been included in GATE. It is not like that, it is a separate paper only. So now what is the application for filling this form? So for all candidates, okay, so it is 1500 rupees for the regular period. That is, if you fill the application by 30th September, okay, so the application fee is 1500 rupees. But if there is any delay, that is till 7th October, then your fees will be 2000. Now, what is the fee for the girls and SC, ST and physically weaker people? So for them, the fees is half of this, that is 750. Okay, and during the extended period, you need to pay the more fee, that is 1250. Okay, so these are the important dates and application of the application fee for the GATE exam. Now coming to use of GATE score for employment, what is the meaning of this? See, GATE is not, in my previous video I have explained you about the importance of the GATE exam. Why you have to write the GATE exam. If you want to go for higher studies, that is MTech, MS, MBA, you can write GATE exam, or else even if you want to go for government jobs, still you can write GATE exam. So do not have that notion in your mind that GATE is only for the people who want to go for MTech. It is even for the jobs also. So this information, whatever I am giving now, it is properly displayed in IIT Bombay website, because as I mentioned earlier, IIT Bombay will be conducting 2021 GATE exam. Okay, so what they are saying in this GATE score for employment. So some of the public sector undertaking, that is PSUs, like Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited, Gas Authority of India Limited, that is GAIL, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Indian Oil, NPCIL, ONGC, PGCI, all these are accepting GATE score only. And also they have mentioned like direct recruitment to group A level posts in central government, that is senior field officer, senior research officer and senior research officer S&T in Cabinet Secretariat Government of India is now being carried out on the basis of GATE score only. The details of the scheme of the recruitment are normally published in national newspapers, Employment News, Rozgar Samachar by the concerned authority. Okay, and some of other Government of India organizations have also expressed their interest to utilize GATE 2021 score for their recruitment process. See, this year, if we see the previous year GATE examination pattern or the conduction or the applications of this time it is quite different. So if you see like all the government, whatever some of the jobs are there, they are accepting GATE score only. As I told you, application will start from 14th September. We will make one more video that time how to fill the form, because whatever like caste category certificates you are having, physical disabilities, all the certificates you need to have when you are filling the form. That is very much important. So keep those certificates ready if you belong to any of these categories. Okay, so now I will be discussing about the GATE cutoff score for civil engineering and what is the syllabus for civil engineering. Okay, so last year, that is GATE 2020, 1,45,000 civil engineering students attempted GATE last year in the entire country. How much? 1,45,000. And what was the cutoff marks? As I told you, exam will be conducted for 100 marks. So general merit cutoff was 32.9 marks last year. And for OBC, other backward caste, that is, it is 29.6 mark. And for SC, ST and PWD, it is 21.9 marks. So if you get these many marks, then you are eligible for all the benefits which are given by the GATE. See, just few days ago, GATE has confirmed that the student who will be taking admission from 2020 GATE, that is previous GATE, each student will get stipend for all 24 months. So that has been confirmed. You will be getting the stipend of 12,400 per month. So if you belong to third year or final year student now, take this exam very seriously, because it has lot of advantages compared to any other exams. You will be technically very strong if you prepare this exam, and also this will be definitely helping you for other state level government exams as well. So now discussing about syllabus. So 15 marks is for aptitude and 13 marks is for maths. So from this year, earlier 15 marks for aptitude was fixed, but maths was fluctuating like 9 mark, 12 marks, something like that. But from this year, engineering mathematics will be asked for 13 marks minimum. So altogether 28 marks you can get just from these two subjects, that is maths and aptitude. So take these two subjects very seriously, because see, I am a civil engineer now. When we are studying the subjects, we are more inclined towards civil engineering technical subjects rather than maths and aptitude, and we keep neglecting. We will say that okay, once this syllabus gets over, then we will study that. Don't do like that. Concentrate these two subjects as well. Okay, so maths, aptitude I told, and structural engineering has engineering mechanics, strength of materials, structural analysis, construction materials and management, concrete structures, that is RCC, and steel structures, geotechnical engineering, fluid mechanics, hydraulics, hydrology, irrigation, water supply engineering, wastewater engineering, transportation engineering, and surveying. See, all these subjects are there for civil engineering. And coming to mechanical engineering, okay, so last year, that is 2020, 1,67,000 mechanical students attempted GATE exam. So the cutoff marks for general merit was 34, for OBC it was 30.6, and for SC, ST, PWD it was 22.6. See, whatever the cutoff marks are there, they keep varying. Do not consider that next year if you get 34, the cutoff can be less than 34 or can be more than 34. Just 1 or 2 mark variation will be there, but it is not fixed. That is what you have to remember. And again, what is the syllabus? Maths and aptitude is common for all the branches, and this remains the same. And the technical subjects are engineering mechanics, SOM, theory of machines, vibrations, machine design, and fluid mechanics, heat transfer, thermodynamics, then engineering materials, casting, forming and joining processes, then machining and machine tool operations, meteorology and inspections, production, planning and control, and inventory control, operation research. See, all these subjects are there for mechanical engineering. So if you are an aspirant of GATE exam, then study all these subjects, and in my next video I will be making the weightage on the individual subjects so that you can concentrate on those subjects more and qualify the exam if you have plans to just to qualify the exam. Okay, and as informed earlier, we have already started the batch for GATE, civil and mechanical, and as of now they are online classes. So the students who are not in Belgaum, they can avail this opportunity. You can prepare for GATE exam parallelly now along with your college activities, and the students who are in Belgaum, you can join the classroom teaching, but as of now we are taking online classes only. Once this corona season gets over, then we will be shifting to classroom teaching. Okay, so whatever the information is there with respect to GATE exam, we keep updating in our playlist. So I suggest you to keep an eye on GATE playlist in our YouTube channel. Okay, all the very best.